Howdy. I was watching little pictures in the internet and I found some in this paper Techno-Economic Mapping for Improvement of Shallow Geothermal Management in Southern Switzerland. And there's some very nice pictures. There are several of them. Here, ground surface temperature. Red is high, blue is low. Then we have some others as well. I just wanted to show you quickly that there's like others. This one, the previous one, and this one. Thermal conductivity of outcrops. And we have a list of different kind of rocks and equivalent TH dot conductivity monitored aquifers. And I'm not exactly sure what this WMK means. Watt per cubic meter, kilometer, what? Kilowatt, gigawatt. It's a big W. It might be something bigger. But anyway, I took this picture and I took the other one. And I assembled, or how to say, try to fit them into the map as good as is possible. And of course, this is the same as this one. Same region. That's why it doesn't fit to any valley or whatever. And I marked them ground surface temperature and the thermal conductivity of outcrops map. Got photobombed and it actually fits quite neatly because it's not easy to make. But it's approximately where it is. What we have been watching at. And I have been talking about Brieg, where the flood happened some years ago, which is somewhere here in this valley, which is not visible on this map because there's this other picture on top of it. Anyway, if we go over to Windy, we not only see that there's different bands of lightning going on, and they are moving really fast. Freiburg im Breisgau. We have a volcano here, for those who don't know. In Germany. Yes, Kaiserstuhl. That's a volcano. And we also have lightning at the exact spot where I have been making this picture. We just watched about geothermal activity. And let me see. Yeah, I was talking about this region here. So it's not exactly on the spot, but still, it's all connected. There's energy exchange going on. Obviously, in this case, through lightning, and maybe also rain. I don't know. I haven't checked. Should we? Yes. There is snowfall up high and rainfall and more coming. Bad weather. All kinds of things going on. Here we have this really nice bow which is moving eastwards and gets pulled up north. Some new stuff coming in here as well. Portugal, Spain, England, Ireland, Scotland, Morocco. Yeah, it's gonna be interesting. It seems that it's gonna break through there northward somewhere. Now it's still pulling down from the north. We have this barrier here. And now it seems to move, at least through the first one. Let's go to the end and see how it's going to look in 10 days. Yeah, it seems that there is some warmer air coming into Europe, at least the northern part. Yeah, also southern part gets warmer air. But we have to see how it will develop. I still expect some extreme weather occurrences. Might it be wind or downpour in whatever form, hail, and these kind of things. And they might occur especially in these kind of bands. And they can develop really quickly. And they always form this kind of border. They are in the middle. But anyway, I'll leave it here. Thanks. It's just interesting that the same spot when I made the picture of geothermal activity in the Alps got hit with lightning. Amazing. Same day. Thanks. Bye.